heavy duty truck dual protocol. In this case here, you'll see we are scanning a heavy duty truck in J1708 is the selected protocol. We are using both J1708 and J1939 modes as indicated in the setup. And here in the monitor tab, you will note that both columns have information. So in this case, the information is providing road speed, for example, on both the J1708 and J1939 data bus. Cruise control high speed limit is only reported on the J1708 bus, is not available on J1939. Both J1708 and J1939 will display live data as it is streamed from the ECM. Again, to zoom in on one particular value, double click and it will give you that value. In this case, double click, J1708 fuel rate, J1939 fuel, instantaneous fuel economy. You will note in the left column this PID is colored amber. That is because there will be a fault code associated with that PID. So PID 91 is the percent acceleration pedal position. If you go to the DTCs, you will find in here a PID 91 reporting that the accelerated position signal is out of range low. It's an active code, therefore in the monitor tab it is indicated with a colored box. In the J1708 tab, the yellow box around miles per hour for cruise control speed limit simply indicates that it's within government specifications. In here you'll see brown boxes as well. The brown box indicates an inactive code. And here we have 164 injection control pressure. We don't have a value here. That is because the 164 injection control pressure is above specification with engine not running. It's a fault and it's not available.